Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for you. This is, I did open it already guys, sorry. This is my January Ipsy bag. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 subscription service and you get samples, sometimes full-size beauty items. I've always liked it a lot. Certain months sometimes where the bags aren't that good, but usually I really like it. So I've been subscribed to this for years. All right guys, so jumping right in. This is the January Ipsy bag. I really like the bag. I think it's super cute with like the neon yellow green highlighter color and the hot pink neon, and then this bluish like fishnet type thing, and then here it has like this, looks like shoelaces kind of, but I think it's super cute. I really do like this month's bag. And this is the card that came in here, and it says I will conquer blank. So I imagine that, you know, that's what you have to write, like kind of your New Year's resolution or whatever it is that you want to conquer this year. So let's just jump right in. The first thing in here is from Luna by Luna. Never heard of these people. This is an eyeshadow, and very cute packaging. It is in the color Juliet. I like that. And this is the color. It's very pretty. I am actually gonna be gifting this to my coworker, which her name is Juliet, and I love her to death. She is like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like she is like the type of person that makes me believe that there are still good people in this world. So I just want to like kind of gift this to her because I have very similar colors to this, and I don't even think the camera's really picking up the color, how nice it is. It's kind of like a pinky rose gold color, and I love rose gold. She knows I love rose gold. I'm sorry about that. That was my phone. Whatever. She knows I love rose gold, and I just want to gift it to her because it has her name on it, and she deserves so much. Like, I wish I could give her the world. All right, next thing in here is from Dermalect, and it is a microfacial exfoliating mask. And this is what it looks like. And obviously, I imagine this is for the face. It says that they are cruelty-free. And it says it's a multi-brightening complex, instantly restores dull, lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant. Guys, if you hear noises in the back, my kids are like right at my door, like wanting to come in. The next thing in here is from Real Chemistry, and it is the Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. And I definitely can't wait to use this. I love cleansers. I love them, like face cleansers and all of that. I love them a lot. I got something from them before, but I don't think I've ever actually used it, but I'll definitely look into trying this out. And the next thing in here I was super excited about, except now that I see the color, because I don't think I'm gonna like this color. I don't know, I think it's like too brown. This is the NYX lingerie, what are these called? Like lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. These are the NYX lingerie liquid lipsticks, and this is in the color Beauty Mark, and you see it's like super brown. Like I think this is too brown for me. Like I don't think I'll be able to handle this, so either I'm gonna give this away or I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I can't wait to have a giveaway for you guys. Like I'm dying for that. And then the last thing in here is a City Color contour palette. Comes nicely packaged in the little bubble wrap. And this is what that looks like. And I think I probably will give this away or something in one of my giveaways to you guys, because I'm not the type to really use these too much. It has a highlight, a bronzer, and a contour. So this is highlight, bronzer, bronzer, highlight, bronzer, contour. And they are also cruelty free, and City Color is a pretty good brand. It's not expensive, and I think the products are pretty good. All right, guys, so that's it for my Ipsy unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I love you guys, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.